Hi guys, hi, how has your day been? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed, those who have liked, those who have shared. Asanteni sana. Now it's a chilly evening back here in Naivasha, and feeling very hungry, and I thought I'll just prepare something very quickly. So yeah, come along with me as I prepare this. So guys, today we are going to prepare liver and some ugali. The ugali is almost done, but the liver is yet to be prepared. So I thought I would try cooking liver this way. I don't know if you will like it, but just want you to see how we are trying this out. I hope it turns out great. So this is liver. I bought it for like 150 shillings, while I have soaked it in chicken spice and a little bit of raw chili. I have pounded the raw chili, and that is a little bit of milk. So I have some tomatoes here. I bought these tomatoes for 15 shillings, and then I have my onions there. Again, I bought these onions for 10 bob, and then my garlic, and then dhania, just to make it a little bit colorful. Yeah. So what I did is I soaked the liver in I soaked it in some spices, and then I added a little bit of milk in here just to let it cool as I changed to come and cook. So I've just let it settle for like 10 minutes or so. So since it has settled and I'm now ready to cook, I have just turned on the heat, just lower temperature, and I'm just drying the spices and the little milk that I had put. I'm just waiting for that to simmer out so that I'm able to now just fry the liver. So again guys, the milk is optional. I know there are people who don't like milk. So once the marination, that the marinated stock that you had marinated with the liver dries off, you just put a little bit of oil. Don't put too much oil. So add the onions. Remember, there are people who also don't prefer onions in liver. You can skip that part of onions and then add ginger next. Again, once you're certain that the onion is golden brown, or the onion is cooked, please add garlic or whichever raw spices that you have with you. Then add tomatoes and cover your sufuria for the tomatoes to cook properly. So guys, once the tomatoes are well cooked, like the way they appear, you can add a little bit of stock just to simmer for a minute or two before we put our dhanias. So yeah, that's how it appears once I've just added a little bit of some stock or some soup. As it simmers, just for a minute or two, and then later on I shall add some salt, pinch of salt, and add the dhania as our last thing. Then guys, we add our dhania. As you can see, that is the dhania that I've added, and I've also sprinkled a little bit of salt. Don't put too much salt because we are cooking just for one person, or it's a food that can be eaten by one or two, so don't add a lot of salt. Then you stir. After adding your dhania, just stir a little bit for that dhania to settle in well. So just the way I'm doing it, just stir a little bit, and then you let it cook for some time. Just let it cook for some time. 1 minute or 2. Yeah, I'll just let it cook for a minute or 2. So guys, this is how our food turned out. It took me less than 10 minutes or so to prepare the food. You can have it with rice or with chapatis, but I'm going to have mine with ugali. So let me know what you think about this and if you can try it out. Just let me know. Guys, that's what I'm going to have this evening. I am going to have it with ugali. Let me know if you try it out and how it turns out. Let me know. And thank you guys for the concern on the camera on the first video. We're going to rectify that, and please comment and ideas, like, subscribe and share the video. Otherwise, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Thank you.